What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people, Ivany give your opinion on the Yankee and Annie situation and kind of confront Annie. You see me I say? Also, I think she's this Daima. Yeah, she this Daima, so Daima all woman, whatever. You see me I say, I share that with you also. We also have Rosealee come out and defend her name toward the Akeem situation, say Akeem no want her and a bunch of things, you know what I mean? So here I go my people. We are gonna just jump in it. As me always say, one of hearing the intro or seeing the intro, definitely I'm gonna see in the video. So make we get into it my people.
Them need to start live them truth. Them need to start live them truth. At 21st century, you know, nobody not go fight and nobody not go kill you, no. Live on the truth, bro. Just love the woman them alone. Love the girl them alone. That's all, bro. You see me? Just love the woman them alone, bro. Can't mess up the lady them inside, bro. When I go make maggot and them thing that drop out of the woman them, brother, and just dog. Why? Like why? Like why? When I go out there to man and I come back into the woman, bro. No, stop it, bro. You see me? No, stop it, bro. No, stop it. Big woman thing. You see me? I say, man, I stand say a phone life, but alright. You see, if you even if not doing a nastiness, tell the woman, make sure have a choice. Make sure choose. Either she want to stay and know say you're the nastiness or she go. Cause you have some nasty girl out there compatibly them man sleep with man, you know, and come back to them, you know. You have some nasty girl out there like that, you know. Zane? But give the woman them a choice. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. You see me? You need to tell the woman the truth and stop the fuckery. You see me? If you want to see if the man go up and go search for mounted. Man hate we, which man hate we? Me not hate you know. Them hate you not you know come over here and fuck with about man hate we, you know. Which part of me like me hate you know? And them hate you know for stop it and stop me then do the nastiness them. And come back come lay down with you know. And Yankee this man, hey for sure it's a Yankee no feel no way you know. Yankee come we don't say Yankee come this part that's sweat, you know. Yankee has sweat your fuck. Wanna see him come live this morning? Wait, they must say them I say. I'm ball and I sweat, you know. Me say man nervous, yo fuck. Bumbo clear Yankee nervousness done kill him. Nervousness done kill. Wait, I did Yankee? How the blood clot this? So all along your ear there I start talk, where you think we attack? All along your ear there I start talk, where you think we attack? Eh? All along you ear there I start talk, where you think we attack? Run the video. The video run a long time. Long time the video run. Long time. You see me? Did you heard what he said to FIO? No, I'm not hear him say. What him say? What him did say? Go up on Google, search for mounted. How am I put this? You see them teach me for do it the last time. You know, wait there. How am I do this chat? How am I put the text? Yo, you know why if I don't you know, I can't help you know, and everybody I can save, man, Jesus. Who know if you see it, already know if you see it. He did his thing. What he did thing he not proud of. Boy, it's all upon him side. Bumbuckler, wicked for that. Yo, it's all upon him side. Thanks Terry. It's all upon him side, me I tell you now. You see me, him say everybody make mistake. So if call that mistake, I can't mistake that. That I can't mistake. I'm telling you why I can't mistake. This, the 2 finger, going too easy. Him do it already. That's something him do over and over and over and over and over again. When you just think about it now. He said he was desperate. Desperate for what? When he desperate for? Money? Him the desperate for money. Some money him do it for? You know, so the youth them weak, bro. The youth them weak. Alright. Me I show you something, brother. Me I show you something. And me and my friend them did a reason about it what day, yeah. And a facts. And a facts. Me I reason with no something I want to say a true. Even though I fuckery, a true. Zine? I want to think, you know, and I say a true. Say the youth them weak. And the youth them we go out there rob a soldier. Me I show you something. You see a youth we go up on the street go rob. I not talk grab old man person them something there. But rob. Let's say a man come hold up and rob the iPhone 17. That about 200 guns. See? Remember I risk him life, you know. Cause at the moment the ball out thief in the
Alright, yo I go on my friend. We prefer the weak youth them. Yeah, we prefer them. You see me I say because if we are gonna make a choice, either the weak youth them we love likes and do certain things with folly, or the strong youth them will come take your hard working things. You see me I say we take the weak youth them, and the same one way I take your hard working things, they might take your life also. You see me I say the soldier them, yeah, they might take your life also. So look into what you say, my friend. You know what I mean? Cause we are gonna prefer the weak youth.
You don't know who they run him. Like the farm who they run him, kill him. Police whatsoever. Them youth they rob more rougher than them youth here. Where Bumbuckler prefer stay at them yard and beg people things. The man them stay at them yard and beg people things, at them a go turn batty man. The one them afraid, we like afraid for risk them life for things, at them turn batty man. Me I tell you no. And me and my friend them did a talk about it. I fuck with them and rob, you know. But the youth them prefer go out there with a gun and rob. Them youth they are more gangster youth, and them youth they not on no batty man. And cause them put them life on the line, bro. Robbery a fuck, you know, them for work for them want, you know. But them put them life on the line. So it's basically a job for them because them put them life on the line. So even though them a go out there go rob, them put them life on line for what them want. Them money out there them yard, and I beg them I put for them batty on the line. And them turn batty man. Because them no want work and them no want risk them life. It might sound stupid. No, it might sound stupid, but a facts, bro. Me I tell you no, a facts, bro. So you see little youth them, we are go out there go bumbuckler rob, them a risk them life for what them want. Even though I fuckery, you know, them a risk them life. When I forget them respect feet, because if them get catch, them a go get beaten, them a go get broke up, them a go get stabbed, them a go get shot if them get catch. So them put them life on the line feet. You see me I say? But the one them in there them yard now, a bumbuckler to get things and a beg man, a them turn the batty man, a them boy they a batty boy. You see me? Me not tell you say them boy they a batty boy. Nobody can tell me say them boy they a batty boy. The boy them no want work or risk them life for nothing, bro. You see me? Me I tell you no. I prefer you go out there go rob for what you want instead of stay in yard and a beg bumbuckler man and them turn batty man, brother. Me I tell you no. If you don't want to argue, not agree. If not, not agree, bro. But a facts, bro. You see me? Big woman thing. Big woman thing, bro. The youth them, you know how I fuck up this culture, this believe. You see, believe culture, believe man, believe, it doesn't work, man. Believe in a bumbuckler. When for believe in something I'm not say. On the pan believe every minute, bro. You go get a job, bro. All the girl them stay with the blood clot chopper them. The some of the man them, the girl them stay the man them, man. When you're there with them and you come to him and say, babes, you can't give me 20 grand and say, yo, mama, go and believe, mama, go and believe. My so old a skull. A cough.
John, please rub you out. I'm afraid I wanna. Me. Nothing me eat in a life more than a snake or a fucking rodent. I never eat until I become a snake. I when someone is over here sit down and thinks that me was eat, you know. I don't afraid of people. I want to become a snake and show me no real intention. Me no box full out of people mouth, you know. If somebody call my phone and say to me, say, you have so and so number, if me have it, me give them it, I will mean a talk. Cause sometimes you have people that talk, but you will have them phone number. I want to reach to Arnett Garden. I say, okay. Because say me can't call that person, if you get to that person, you get the number for give you. If you can't call, get them, go get the opportunity. One not understand your life. One not get. Father God ever watch you, Nina? So wanna come here and tell you a lie and make up on a story. Father God watch you, Nina? Because somebody watch you, know, somebody see before it even happen. God watch you, Nina. When you say God watch you, know, somebody see before it even happen. God watch you, know. God watch you, know. And anybody with me and him live under the same roof, I'm say them double cross me, but you can't back up me, no one no poison me. God watch you, Nina. No red eye. Red eye. Red eye. Red eye. Keisha board. Prime example. Me and you are me I need a friend. Me I need a friend, you know, you are my enemy. And all along me I need a friend. And as me I need fallout. So need to run girlfriend as my enemy, she know enemy long time. That means say enemy long time. Me and your friend long time, me a fallout, we keep on moving. I don't need to friend your enemy. To be seen. When Keisha, when may you fall out, so may you fall out, I'm saying me run your friend, you, that means that you need a friend long time and the quiet. You know, just devolve.
Well, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section about Rosealee, I say, because at the end of the day, I tell you something, man. If you and two persons fall out where you used to close with over almost the same thing, the last one where you fall out with, maybe I go link the person and say, you know, say, you did a talk truth, a real thing, you know. Ray, a fussy for you, you know. I same thing me and I fall out for, you know. And Ray. You know what I mean? So, you know, if you say them a plot for hurt you or anything, maybe them agree, say, you want fussy, and them just link up together. You see me, because them did a friend long time. And not because, say, a person fall out with that person that you and them used to be friend, and the person used to be friend with, that means, say, you if you fall out with them. No, you know, go so. You and them fall out for no reason. Me not no reason to fall out with that person, so we are going to still link and talk. However you want to take it, you take it. It's simple as that. So let me know what you think, my people.
So going on this episode, when I say me I need a friend and as me I need follow need run go friend you Keisha, but that means a long time. That means a long time you need a friend and look quiet. That means a long time need not like me. That means a long time wanna plot to bury me. Bring me down and to bury me. Wanna rape on the right time and the opportunity to bring me down. But guess what? Nobody bring down Rosealee. I'm gonna tell you why. Let me tell you why nobody bring down Rosealee. Nobody bring down Rosealee. I don't care. Me always eat. Me I always sleep more. Me I always. Wake up 2 months and don't decide to spread my bed. It's my bed. And I wake up 2 months and decide to don't want to spread my bed. It's my bed. Nobody can bring down Rosealee. I'm not bring down. I show the world who you are. Nobody bring down Rosealee. I take me eat when I like. I go and go and fuck who I fuck. Nobody bring down Rosealee because 100% of the time, me not listen to no. I don't not get that. Me not listen to me not care. Come on, listen to no. Then you cannot like me, still gonna listen to you. Me so one people put up one post. You sound not like me, you can't stand me, you can't stomach me. But as me click my life with all on the bungalow over here. But anyway, we know that. Who watch you more than your enemy? I your enemy watch you more. Me not sick in my brains, you not touch what? Me not sick in my brains, me not like a girl, me not want to see them, you know? I hope I alone, I hope I internet alone, me see me know a girl personal what class me for decades. I have one page where them watch me. When them over jobbers life the night, me know a them and the page follow me. I say watch a sick, somebody is sick and sad. Oh, me not like a girl, me don't even want to sue no. Much less. For you not talk about Rosealee touch her and sit down on the phone and the pan. When screener card page put on up over here, me not listen to no. I don't. Uno know about it to me, so me listen to me not count to no. And let you know get the difference with Uno and me not count to no. Say I want to go down Emmanuel Road, I will work Crackstone. Me not count tone anymore. That's not everything I listen to. I always come here and drink my rum and talk my whatever I want to talk. I focus on my youth, them and my man, and other things. I don't focus myself on Uno. People, I was, you know, say, Tom John did say, and Auntie Jones did say, and Rebecca Stewart did say. People was come and tell me so to say, me never listen to no original video yet. When it's not that enough of importance. Trust me. I mean, I can't abandon me. I talk about general statement overall. I was someone on the love chat. Me never listen to no yet. Never. Uno nothing. Liberate lady warmer, touch her. Me never listen to no yet. Come on, like you never listen to no for me. Me see one girl, Cked and look up on the FYP. I see one girl last night. I shall make one video. I listen to the video now, you know. But part of the video, I go down in the comment section. Me hear them say, I can't stand her. She type at the problem and said, she act about the person was starting and said, me too. But just write in the comment section. Me say, me, well, I never can stand a person who have more followers more than me. Me don't even know your girl. Me don't even know you. And the sick part of it all is, una like a girl and every single day rose and una like me. It's when me rose not like a person touch her. Me exit out of my mind space. Me keep your name out of my mouth. This when I see you, you may not even see you. And that's why I don't walk on other people. I say I walk on other people. When I see you appear without drop. I'm out going to drop there already. So when I see you, I don't even see you. You don't recognize you, don't exist to me. I'm not looking at you, I'm looking, my mind is somewhere different. Yeah. And I'm going to the bank and book up all my enemies. See me on my phone? While my enemy would have slung and have them corner here watch me. And me not look on them. I'm very unbothered. When I come out to people that don't like me, no unbothered me. Come on, like me, some unbothered. Will you feel like I'm going to pick up phone crisis by my head? I ain't have to tell the argument, you know? You know, make no sense. When a person don't like you, stay far and be very unbothered. Nothing what them say and do cannot affect you coming and listen to you. Me not listen to you, no. Worse than I tell myself, I'm not in a league. Because there's levels to this and someone will never reach my level. And when my ship horrible, one will never reach my level. I levels to this and someone will not level up. Don't want no friend. Me alright. Power touch. I look too good. I try to go up in a ranking. You hear me? No want no friend. A regular. But so type in a comment section. Akim don't want Rose and Bay and him a user. Me want to ask you today, how him a use me? Me want to really know, you know. Because I said from last year. And somebody in the spirit of discernment showed them it. I want to know how he might use me. He has his own platform. I have my own platform. We don't share gifters. Him have him own a people him and me have my own a people him. If him don't come on, me can sit here and rank my own money. If him and me don't come on, him can sit over there and rank him own money. Him have him own a shooters them. Some of my shooter them when them come, some of my shooter them when them reach them and wait for me. So do him. How him I use me? That more I know. He makes him own money and me make my own money. How him I use me? How him I use me? When me a move, me leave a finger, you know. So me want to know how him, and him a user how? Oh.
Well, my people, when you hear the woman, how Akim a user, you just type in the comment section, let me hear what you think, how him a user.
Me I get used. We just enough, I love chat. I envious. Because no more know how. Let me say how am I use me? I want to know how. Him work him own money and spend and me work my own money and spend it. How am I use me? Him pay him own rent and me pay my own rent. Him buy him own food and me buy my own food. How am I use me? Anytime he go, anytime him come over here, come give now, him want give me. Anytime he go over there, go give him and me want give him. He never call me. Me never send call him, and he never send call me. It's me, him always want to do him want, and me always do what me want to do. How him I use me, I that me want to know. How him I use me. Well, I'm going to answer she. Wait. You comment. Yeah. Yeah, I'm tired. Oh, so much. No, try to wait now. Some food now is very clear, fridge. More feeling me now. Yeah, I don't want to collect something today. But I can't make that look junk already. Collect a film because I'm thief. Chat, focus, put up a screenshot. So, what the reason before my man called me? Yeah. Tell me how to reach. We'll play the match tomorrow with her. We couldn't play today, chat. For some reason, I wake up late. So we try to go open at the ranks. Put up a live chat. For some reason, I woke late. Put up my team. What up chat, you wake up late. What me not gonna say again? Me no remember. Yeah. Them say the man I use me. Oh, and the boy I use you. What? Do what? Where am I use me though? No more, no. Where am I use me though? The whole day's a whole mess.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm. We could just run it. Come show on one sheet and tell us Aki by time Aki the bite a blood clot. Never. They could have never ever come and say, Trat, but some guy road you see. Look what my baby bought me. Look what my baby bought me. And him a buy it. Because I want to feel good. I lie I tell. Who me? Unless me the name Rosealee. I swear upon my two them life. But Father God bless me with. If Akim not buy nothing, me not say him buy it. If Akim not give me nothing, me not say him give me. If Akim not do, me not come tell him do and him not do. Me not doing it. Come in, I look good name. Touch one. Me never leave them the delusional. Me never leave them the delusional life when me young. I know me get old. I'm a two pussy talk them some under me. Me not doing it. No, it's the truth. Where you buy, where you buy. Where you give me, where you give me. Me not saying up, me not. Take. I avance here you give me. I have nothing, you have no hand and a foot on teeth. I'm a mascot. Oh. We're not doing that. If you give me something, I appreciate it, then I'll get no credit for what you don't do. So when I do, you will get credit. I'm telling him that publicly. I'm telling him it privately. I say, look here, I'm a mascot, you know. So you know, feel like say you have a blood clot now, do. I mean, come reward you. It's when they with a man and them do the door, you come right, we wire them, you get them lazy. So if you want one pair of sneakers, they say, babes, I want a pair of sneakers now. And say, yeah man, you buy, you put him on the ad seat. And then 2 weeks now, you see, 2 weeks now, you get the sneakers. Yeah, man, my baby bought me this, and him buy it. You put him in a position enough to do nothing. And you know, say, no matter him, you and him well, not you know, say, him know, say. No matter what him do, you gotta always give him praises and credit for him to do, so him can lay back. So if you want one sneakers, him know say you have money, can go buy, so you can go buy the sneakers. I say him buy it, cause yeah, look.
The people, I wonder if any Rosalie are dropping out for. Let me know what you thinking in the comment section, my people, and make you watch some more.
Good name, you want to look good. If a boy don't buy me nothing, a boy don't buy me nothing. If a boy not give me nothing, a boy not give me nothing. Sometime in life, you there with a man, you can afford the sneakers, you know, but him try to buy it out of him pocket and the thoughts that count. And someone really, someone saying I live the delusion, like, but just laugh to myself, because it make no sense. If a boy not give me, a boy just not give me, and the argument done. Yeah. Touch what some stay. All of my past life, man never used to give me. Now, I say man never used to do things bad, me and them there. But me I talk about give me something. Like literally, give me something. At 95% of the man who take my life, me never get none from them. I want man, me still go work. I want man, me still go work. And carry majority of the money come. You can give somebody else in my family and carry majority of the money and give me, I say, one man. Me not see that yet. From my past life, immense. Not about overall, man, overall. Sometimes when I don't grind hungry like dog. When me in my book, when I work, you get a credit. In my book, and it goes to a man when me I take, and it goes to me you then when me carry upon the land. When you don't work, you don't get no credit. So me not gonna tell you go wash the plate them, and you make your auntie wash the plate them, and when I come and see the plate them wash, mommy and me wash them. Anyway, you know wash them, you don't get credit for that. You don't live the Lulu. You don't get credit for that. You don't do nothing, you don't get credit for it. You don't get no reward. Mommy, I want an iPhone. So when the grades go up, you get an iPhone. When you work towards what you want, you will receive your reward. Someone will walk and tell like, man, I'm going to this, man, now I'm going to shit. Man, need someone with like poison. And me, the other boy, they never kiss me yet and only grind me. Me, I come tell John Pub, the boy, they never kiss me yet. We only grind. What wrong with that? And a pure liar there and thief. The truth shall set us free. I want to take a small pin, because someone over here love chat. When I always say the boy use me, and I always come and say the boy don't want me. Last night when I said, babes, I want KFC. I don't want a KFC, you know. I buy 1 2-piece chicken for man, so I come and me with them a fridge. I know I don't need it enough. When I come from after I buy 1 2-piece chicken with patty, I have it on my counter from last night. So hear me with my enough self, no coming on me always enough. And just sometime we just enough. I like to see the position. That everything. I don't want the KFC. I say, babes, I want KFC. He say, yeah, baby. Remember, I know. Me sit down, yes, so. Yes, so me sit down. Chakita. I may book a Uber. I may go up me go outside. And KFC. Me book a Uber, TT, and I go outside. I'm literally tell him say me I go outside. And if it's a man when I want a girl, then by him in I'm house, you know, me I go road. I reach a road before him. Him in I'm house and a road me I go, you know. When the live lock off in the car, I say, you know, me I go road, you go road, what about we buy, you know? I could have more than me I go road, I could have more than somebody keeps saying buy what I want. And sit and wait and I'm going outside. I have said that last time before I leave. I am going outside, you know. Him no must go to the door in him house him there. Him know me I go outside. Him know say me can't take the Uber, go KFC, go order the KFC, wait for it and buy it and then come back at me yard. Me can't do all of that. It's so iron. I mean, I think about it, you know. Because sometimes I sit down and think about these things, you know. For somebody who said with them, to somebody with them company, for somebody with them company internet and talk all the while, say no want me. Remember, you know, me I go to the door. Me don't know if him I go to the door. Me never ask him that. We could have gone to my Uber, go to the door, get my capes and come back to my yard, you know. But I know some can't buy it now that the thoughts that count. If you can get up, go road, order the KFC, and can't come give it and me still there road. Some man now do that. Me deal with man already. I'm say buy something out the road and road. Him a going on, I say buy something, you know, and he make me know straight say, me soon go on the road, he make me know straight say, hey look here, you know, when you're ready for go road, you buy it yourself. Buy something for me now. I know say me soon go road, you know. Watch ya. How many dirty people here?
Me not send no link to no video. No coming on the only time when if I come in on my Instagram when you ask me for the payment info for the game. No come ask me no. What kind of granny this year? Cause me hey wanna no start with me cause she blood clot start with me, you know. That my age I catch you. You see, age is a beautiful thing. But sometimes you have to accept it a catch you. It a catch you. Yeah, how much? Age is a beautiful thing. Right? We get it. Not everybody live to see full age. Not everybody live to see full age. But Jesus, come on, man. Diamond still beautiful. Alright, well a blacker with that team Diamond.
Alright, my people. So from where there, people are say yo something do Diamond, whatever, you know what I mean? She don't look herself and Ray. First I did the weight. You know what I mean? She lose some weight. But now she kinda put on back the weight. But my people, me not tell you no lie. You see, after the weight argument and Diamond go back on something, me still like, me not tell you no lie. Like her face, something now go on right there so. Me don't know if she have issue where she consider about think about, me don't know what go on, but she don't look 100% herself. I just the truth, my people, but she look alright, you know, she look healthy, you know what I mean, in her body, but facial wise, something, me just, you know what I mean, her face no look like how it did look, you know what I mean, and me today, me look on her face and me I say, you know what I mean? But maybe her age for real, like what Ivany I say, maybe her age for real, kind of, you know what I mean? Make me know what I want to think.
Over here, lift up. Stop! For the last time, chill out. Y'all are rattlesnake. Well, I'm a camera, I want people that text me. Come here, people manning on my phone. You don't see that? And the only reason why it looks so pretty because I have smooth on my camera. I turn off so smooth, yeah. I want to come but me when me ready for take her around because the girl just live for me name. What do you she must see the power live. Here no. What she say? I remember I see if I want record. Here no. Should I try to get my attention on the video I do look. Here no. Here no boy, your favorite ex. Javi him no. My favorite, one of my favorite crosses, something like that. Bela wako sober no Batman when me and him did them man Batman them the time there. Me can't 100% prove I know some Batman now. Me ain't gonna argue over no fish. You alone I gonna argue over fish. Me and Dima will never cuss over man. What's the man a Batman? You there with the man and you're so called happy. When my name still reaching a your mouth. And if me come out now, come talk yeah, you say me a problem, talk truth. I mean see you know see me from what here, me not see you from what here. Why my name in a your mouth same way about your favorite ex? You know like when you try to get one information out of one man, but you have to call my name to see if you can get the information. Cause nothing about Javi. Go look on Javi teeth them before. Right now if Javi take off the veneers, yeah, that's see where Dima over there kiss. Tell Javi if you take off the veneers them and go look where Dima kiss out. You know dirty people. You know dirty people. Stop. Let me lick down your stop ramp with me, you hear? Chill out. Yeah, I dirty people them eyes. Right now if me take off my veneers, my teeth clean. Me have pretty natural teeth under them veneers, yeah. When Javi take off veneers them, a rotten man, rotten teeth them they are suck out and dirty, filthy mouth. So me and you talk about from a start par with Rosalie them me look good. Damn you still the same, you me not see no difference. You only look wow you give me when Spice go look clothes you put on, that's it. After you don't take off that the clothes you wash off your makeup, you gone back to being Diamond. Sam Sharp. Sam Sharp. Walla black, lift up. Sam Sharp. When him turn Batman, him out there, the all sort of bottom. Ratting him teeth them. Yeah. If you go look after on yourself. I'm gonna call my man, hold on. Come here, top man in my life now. Top. Come on for me, man. Give me a look here. Come on for me, come on for me. Come on for me, man. You don't in my skin. You feel your body, me I feel my body. You come like you want to suffocate me. Not for your pussy taking man. Oh you feeling yourself, Annie? Annie, are the man we breed, you know? Why you do that? As somebody will get you pregnant to your baby father, you should have been last person if you want to discuss them the something that towards your baby father.
So how could you be my baby father and come out here start trying to bring me down or make people bring me down at the end of the day?
Annie, the man will get you pregnant, Annie. You should have been like, you should have been the one to pick up film, cause your baby father.
Pick up film and is a batty man? Why would I pick up for the man where is a batty man with the man?
Man done shit up your hole and I go have a shitty baby, so you should have just stay with
I don't give a fuck, me wash him off and drench out his grass. Me wash him off and drench him out. If you didn't deal with a man for 2 years, you should have made me know say he is a batty man. You should never come in my life. You understand what me I say and do what you do at the end of the day.
Remember say Britney not so right it. Are you gonna pick up Britney madman? Remember your man never just see naturally why you and look you. You see Britney with the madman and you go take him man.
Which man you see me see man take him up? You see me take him up and put him on my back?
I'm Britney that take him up. Why? When me see you go for that the man then in first place me wonder if you write it. I Britney and let the man there Britney find the man down a one seaside. Down a blood clot. Moby where place called
Bonnie, you just try to blame me. Like, no, Joe.
It's not about blame, Annie, but this is what I'm saying since nobody's telling you the truth. What I'm basically saying, yes, you find out the man a batty man and you're vexed. You should have uphold with that pan life because at the end of the day, you are bringing forth a child for that same batty man.
And why that batty man come out here so I bring me down and make people look bad for me at the end of the day. So me to sit down and watch him a style me for the media. At the end of the day, no, it's not gonna work so.
Cuss him back and bring him back down. But as far as to come in a match with people and them I know say the man a batty man, it don't look good. It don't look good. In everybody, 7 brothers, 7 different man. Yeah, whatever. You do for your thing, but for a woman we are breed for a man, it don't look good. We understand.
It look good for him come out just to come tell like for me, Vani. It look
telling
good
a lie,
people against me, make them feel like me are the problem towards him, Vani.
Honey, telling a lie is common assault. Everybody tell lie. You tell lie for me to say me did put out a daughter picture when I'm in a TV poor. Me never do say
well,
that.
Me never know say so you go. Me didn't assume and I never.
Honey, the amount of lie people tell for you, right? The amount of lie we tell for people. I just saw it go, but I like upload it where you are do right now. Say the man a batty man. Me could never depend live a breed for a man and say a batty man.
No, for your batty man, you're a batty man. You should have said that first place who you did. You don't come and play with my emotion. You don't come in my life and style me and I use me for cover up when you know there's a big fish. But don't tell in my mind already I'm come out and talk my truth. There's a big dirty blood clot batty boy. Argument don't vanish.
So Annie,
me know why you know me.
The woman is a mad woman. You're old right now. The children need to go a doctor. The Yankee need to go wash out in bottom hole. And he need to go wash out her pussy hole. And then she need to make them insert one pipe to wash out the baby hole in her fear belly. Because the whole 3 of them are fish. Where you get up, the man for lock her up. Post the news, lock her up. Them for lock her up.
Find her back live.
What kind of lie the man could have tell for yourself if you don't comfortable for her life? I said the man about him, man.
She never come. Slime, she never come.
Maybe me have to go. I'm going.
Go on.
Bonnie, hold on. Me get 3 strike. 3 strike. Let me send back your request. So nobody now remember this say him a tell Jayden seminar breed. This fellow go me and talk to Bonnie.
Man, before you. So why you worried now? No answer you say something. She gone too far.
My people, alright. Annie exposing the man. Me feel like go on, my people. Me feel like Annie have them something over the man head. I try to make the man act right. She have it as blackmail over him head. So the moment him say boy, you know what I mean, him a give her some type of vibes where him have different woman and them way there. And that's how the argument start. And at that's how she come out and put out the video and stuff. You know what I mean? That me feel like cause remember she has a long time she have it. So she did hold it over him head for him stay with her exclusively. You see me? So make her watch some more, my people.
Catch man until she catch a big fish. Watch a man answer me shame. Alright, me I try to get one series with Drakes. Mandela, let me see if I can add him. You did one Drakes to the series and Drakes name make you do this series. You gotta take a prudent man. You should have never at this you go wrong, you know. Should they live? Our page name again, well. I have to search for her and I'm gonna find her. Annie. You know, so Annie, like, you know, like somebody where me all, me not do that. I know you and the man are go back together. I worst thing that, you know, you see Annie and the man back, wait. You know, I type the video out long time, Annie make the video be known now. He was crying. I saw him now, like, I'm gonna go back to Annie. Well, there's a generation of mad people, them. She not have 2,000 people on her life. Me I send the request, she not accept. She don't want to hear the truth. Annie. Alright now, so how you feel now say you be father batty man? Make we start off by this so you can get where me I come from.
Oh me feel what okay, that person sent the request.
Suppose the guy was bisexual before him even know you. Him could have been bisexual before him know you, know. So you can't vex with the man because you just find out now. What if the man did have fuck batty long time before him know you?
So why involve yourself with me knowing that you're a batty man?
Bisexual,
well, bisexual or whatever you do.
That means people bisexual.
I know what is bisexual. I know what the meaning of bisexual.
Yeah, so that's the answer to it because he love man and he love woman just like how woman love man and woman love woman. That a bisexual.
So what we are continue what you're saying.
Right, so the man a bisexual. So you basically a try say I trim tell lie for your what you make you come put out now say my batty man. And you what kind of lie the man could have tell for you expose the man? The man they know say a big charge that the man can go to a police station.
Expose him. I'm not the first person who expose him.
But you make it be known.
I'm not the first person who expose him. But why then with me? So you're the people that wrong with it with me and when say you're a batty man and you date a man for 2 years. 2 years. Me and your day a man go call me and tell me say you're the man dead. For 2 years. So why you use me to cover up?
But Annie, you not understand. Listen, I could go back down. You know why the man, you know me not telling nothing wrong. If you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right, you're right. And you have to understand, this will come from the get-go. You see, if the man did see you and look you, then the man have all right to tell us about that.
That means the man and look him?
Ah, you go look the man.
Look the man, Ivany. Don't tell no lie for me. Don't tell no lie for me, Ivany.
Oh, yeah, this man come in place.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, this man come in place.
Ivany, me meet the man live and we play a game and we decide to go out to dinner. I never see no man and go run down no man and look the man.
But Annie, you know, so the man was Britney look up ting wagwan.
So nobody Britney look up ting wagwan. Britney never owned the man. Britney never owned the man, you know.
So no. She not gonna own him up because Britney has sense, alright. Support Britney did own up the man now. You see what the disgrace
Britney did that with Zozo. Van, you always a try to make some sense to please yourself. Britney did have her man. You understand me? Me and the man decide to go out to dinner, right? Go out to dinner. We have dinner, we decided we click and we have a relationship. You understand what me I say? Right? The end of the day, you like me like you. Right? Me never know say you're the girl that the type of way. Me and the man there here so until the man call and start me know say him and the man there for 2 years. Where you say, Ivany? Me should have sit down underneath that.
If a man now go tell us say I cheat by you, man I tell us say my batty man.
So when we find out what are you saying, we should have sit down with that because I'm a baby father.
You know why you should have sit down with it?
Why?
Because you're bringing a child for your batty man. You should never feel please to me could have never in my right mind sit down a care unborn child in my home and have all courage and nerve to tell 1,000 people say my baby father a man will breed me the baby don't ever born yet is a batty man.
But him have the nerves and courage to practically come out here to make me look bad and make it look like me are the problem and not
so
tell the people them the truth really and truly what is going on. Him have the nerves and courage to take my fucking money from me and not give me back my money. Man, you know why you get me upset and me have high blood pressure.
So
you know why you know
lock you up for true them for lock you up, man, and not too wicked. Let you call no have no shame. Me could never sit down tell somebody say one batty man breed me. You plus blood. I come tell them say a prank. The baby allegation a prank. Me that come tell them say a prank. Speak your mind. Because you look like you want enough up in a wagwan. What is it? Thank God you're straight eyes, straight like arrow. Come here, tell you. Them suck me how you go on. Hold on. When Annie go take up the batty man, lie she tell, lie. I lie she tell, the man never look Annie. Annie force her and the man pan her. And he see the man and Britney and go take the blood clot madman from Britney. As such she stay, anybody were in a light should have do anything for get look of popularity. What year when Drake's did a trend? She did one go do series with Drake's and Drake's never interested. Drake's not interested in a Annie. Drake's never interested in Annie. I saw Annie and Drake's never get for the series. Annie not top sweetheart Drake's. And Drake's no PR no mind. Remember good. She go see Britney with the man and she said the man easy cause I'm tell you, you know friend when me know say Annie a one mad woman when Annie go there with Conrad. So you not really put no up past me if sister Annie go take up a mad.
My people, me tell you something, man. You see, enough time, some people use a temporary situation and make some permanent decision we can't rub out and can't change. And if them did know, you see me, I said that are them song with them start sing. You see me? So Yankee, you know, whatever I'm going on with, there with man and whatever. I feel him bed that for lay down in there because of that him spread. You see me I say, and you know people from once them know say you swim around, it unforgiving. It better them know you as a swim around more than them know you and then find out say you swim around. You see me I say, I stop people stay. It come like foolishness, you know, people, because them are gonna treat you better if them know you as a swim around. But if them find out after they know you say you swim around, and that's how the bad treatment go. Annie and Yankee now, me feel like say Annie did have a thing over him head and him start show her some type of a face like him have different woman and I saw rare. So let me know what you think, make you watch some more my people.
Man out the road. From Annie did I fall in love with Conrad. Mad Conrad. You don't know Conrad though? You don't know Conrad though? From Annie go fall in love with Conrad. You don't know blood clot Conrad. Let me show you Conrad. Conrad all their life. So mad Conrad, yeah? So Conrad, yeah?
Headquarters. There we go. Let's get this and let's be super swag. Oh yeah. I am ready.
Annie too careless for a big man. Lord, me make me careless, so me I just 28. By me reach 30, me we understand life. You passing at 20. Any girl or boy in them 20s who no live on a life, who no young. 30 is not all neither, but when you reach 30, you know you start see your life and come together. You pass 20, you pass 30. You have big woman now for top them sitting here. You go breed. Stop kicking me, buddy. Stop. Hey, me I go thump you in the eyes. Chill. Stop. You there? Stop. Yeah. You're too careless as a grandmother. She too careless. She too dirty and careless.
Your ass can't loud as shit on this bitch.
Margarita when I get that guy. Okay.
What's up?
God damn, there's a lot of people in here.
What's up? What you having?
Oh, let me talk to him. Give me the camera too. What's good, y'all, man? Hey, look, let me give him a freestyle real quick.
Alright, go ahead. Can I wash my hands, little baby?
Good morning, man. This guy's in spend farming. Yeah.
Man, let me wash my hands.
I want you to hear the freestyle. Look,
You spend farming.
look. Fans holla at me. Waves in my head look like a black sea.
Bro, you been saying
watching my chain, same color as a taxi. River color Iceman, now I'm not happy.
They're gonna say you've been saying the same shit. You say the same shit on Twitch.
But a Batman. Am I Batman too? God, Jesus. No could have told me this before. Am I Batman too?
Huh? Give me a couple more bars,
What's
man.
popping? What you having?
Oysters and crawfish.
Why everybody in my life talking about chat? I have 5,000 people in here
Bars, bro. Oh, okay, I got another one.
talking about jazz.
Somebody said that shit was 25 years
Y'all
ago.
know jazz.
No, wait.
Yeah, transmission.
Remember,
Am I a transmission?
What?
Huh?
What? All right, Chad.
Why everybody in my life talking about jazz?
Everybody's having a blessed day. That's my nigga. I don't know. Wait, what did you just say?
I love y'all too, man.
Huh?
What the fuck did you just say?
Who got the sound?
No, I'm saying that all my people know jazz.
Oh, I don't know what you said. My chat was saying some other shit. I was like, what the fuck?
No, I lie, because I lie to my ear and I ramp me in a car. Boy, I tell me, say we up switch for me. They're lying. Don't listen to them people.
Okay. I was at work. You know what? Since we said, hey, nigga, hey.
When that said that sick my stomach, me have boy pitney in my house. Or me go feel for no say you is this type of person. And me have my son around you. Even if me and my son go down the road, if you and my son go around the corner right there, so me I go fret, me I go think about it. By the way, me can't go lock me eye because me have my grand pitney them. So the fuck you tell me say? What you tell me say? Eh? Vanny like to talk too much because me know over 2 weeks, a week and other go, me know me never did not tell nobody. Me never did not tell nobody at all about him. Until he feel comfortable and started to style me and tell me be a bad word and them something there. When you realize that me not company media, me not tell nobody about what going, right? Me hold it down for him. Me hold it down. Vanny just love for chat. You understand me? Me hold the man down. Me not say nothing. Me talk to him family how me feel. Even when time I find out one at the time, I tell us my stomach sick, me want vomit, bro. And me talk to him owner family. I me not company media and tell nobody nothing. But when the man say, me not talk, the man get comfortable and the man start style me. You understand what me I say? The man even walk out of Kingston and tell people say, oh, I use him, I use me in a series. You understand what me I say? And him no want me. Right? So me if you sit down now and kiki because your name Yankee. And me if you laugh with you now because Babyfada. Right? And make you style me. And me if you sit down and take that. Girl. That's why me you know green of Ivany. That's why me you know green of Ivany. Cause you're thinking of my one, you know. Different, you know. You think different from me, no, bro. So understanding of Ivany, love me alone. You understand? Because first of all, you love Batman. You love Batman. By the way, Batman are your thing. Leave me alone. Right? But there with a man, you know you do your thing. By the way, say you're bisexual then. Put it say you're bisexual because I understand that you're bisexual and whatever for you. You understand me? Right? Now I find out. You understand what I say? I see the video. I go back in the phone again. I see more video. You get what I say? So me if you sit down because what, you're bisexual. Oh, he's just bisexual, you know. You know, my baby father is bisexual. You understand me? It's not nothing big. He's just bisexual. Bitch, please. That even worse. That even worse because you're going to use the woman and cover up for the other side of you. That even worse. Oh, he's bisexual. That even worse. How you feel now, your baby father and Ray and take girl? I rather move on, wash out my woman, my tumor, move on and cut me and go about my business. You hear me? I tell you, even if me decide to care my pitney because you go talk about baby father. The man don't go to Jayden and tell Jayden say, me nah breed. Me nah breed just to save him ass. The man go to Jayden and tell Jayden say, me nah breed. So imagine where he go to different people and go say to different people about me. Imagine when I say to different people about me. Me tell you say, girl, leave me from Kingston. And could have make me ear. You understand what me? I say, vice note or Yankee a diss me. So when we say, because of pregnancy, me for relax myself and make Yankee diss up good girl Annie. And my voice there say, oh, it's my baby father. He's bisexual. Talk it truth now. You're bright and fucking feisty. You're bright. You're out of order too. That's crazy. Me there son, I'm gone in a car with man. As me seeing gone in the car with man, me feel like a juking and juke that. What me I do with man like that? What me I do in a them the type of thing there? Me there with a man if there with woman. Me never there with a man if there with man. So when the next man I go call me house and tell me say man, him a man there for 2 fucking years. When I send money come give and take care of. You understand what me I say? You are going to tell me, say me if you don't sit down with them, I don't say nobody, nothing to nobody. Me if you don't shut my mouth. Eh? You know say bad to bad, not tell me about no stop. Not tell me nothing. You know say bad to bad, right? You know say when me see him come out, you saw style me and me sit down and look in his face and me see what him do. And me did there, me a watch him and me dip on the phone. More while me did there, wanna tell me if I unblock him, and when me unblock him, it's like the disrespect. It's like the disrespect when he man come to me. It's like he man a disrespect me, you know. Like literally, you know, the man a disrespect me, you know. A bad word Yankee start tell me, you know. A bad word Yankee start tell me, you know, and a diss me, you know, you. Zin? So what you tell me say now? So me if I take all of that now and bite my lip and say, sure. That's my baby father. Look at you, nothing mad me. I don't.
Some people it's safe to say and they do all of this out of revenge. You see me I say? That me I say. So tell me what I say. Make a watch some more my people.
Don't even want you near me. I cut off everybody. I block every mama blood clot from my phone. I block everybody. Me no want nobody for you. Me no want you. Me no want none of you around me. You understand what me I say? Wanna carry authorities for me? As somebody at the same man when they would send me the video. The same man when they will send me the video because remember I see you see me pass social media and I use you come and I use me. You can't use me for views because you want to be big artist. So you can't deal with me. You understand what me I say? You don't want me no. Man you there with you know. You don't want me no. Me I drink water. Right? When you can't saw water come give me. You don't want me no. Right? A man of your thing you know. But you gonna come on me come there with me because when you there with Annie you gonna get the views. And you go get your thing out there. And the man warn me. The same man where my there with call warn me and tell me say Annie I dead the man I there with you just a views and hype Annie. I'm still never come out and tell nobody when the man link me. You understand me? So what you say? I rather depend on my own. I rather struggle this out for my own. Remember me tell you because me decide to care my pitney. Me a mind him for my own. You understand me? Especially me hear you go tell him about, go tell Jayden say me no pregnant and just yesterday you asked me. Just yesterday me and your mother talk. Just yesterday me and your family are plan out things. But no because you want to save your ass you can tell people but oh and he's not pregnant. So where my baby father there? Where the baby father there? And look a girl better allow me here. I'm gonna get some water. Leave me alone. Zoe! Alex! There's some water. I'm more one of that thing there. May I come out for that live because this does feel like it I run up my blood pressure. Like this too much. Me that run up my prayer. I want to sleep. Go on, share me a come. Me go come out for live. Go on downstairs. Me come out for live. You understand? Me come out for live. Me not come back till tomorrow. Everybody know how me stay. Me not stay up here summer. Me can't take them dirty people here, man. Can't take them fucking people here style, bro. Eh? His mother said me fi talk to him. His mother said me fi talk to him. Me not tell nobody nothing about the man, girl. Me hold on panic when me a stress out at 4 o'clock in the morning. Me a get up. Me a stress. Me can't sleep. I'ma talk to the fucking man, bro. And hear what them say, unblock him and you reason with him. Me say, alright then, me I go reason with him. Me I come out here, me I say, a woman, me see a ray. Me not tell nobody what me really see. Right? Nobody not try to give me no props for nothing. Me not come here and tell nobody what me really see. Me come and me ask me say, a woman me see in her phone. You understand? Me not tell nobody about the nigga. You see me? And them say me fi unblock the man. Me send gone for water, baby. Right? The man say me fi unblock him, man. Right? Me unblock him blood clot man girl. After me unblock him now, do you think the man asks any question how me is? Anything at all? Nothing at all. No, the man not have nothing about that. The man not have nothing. The man not nothing. His mother didn't talk to me. Boom, so me said, alright, then the only thing we have to talk about the baby and how we are going to arrange things. That's the only thing, you know. Right? So we are going to talk about the baby, how we are going to arrange things to make things work out and then something there. Right? Yesterday, him saying not have no money. Him saying not have no money at all. Right? So me did it, and me think I'm supposed to work the money then, like literally go and work the money. Try to work up $120, $130 something. He not have no money, right? He might beg money for what for pay one in drive for come down, right? Me like some idiot take up my money, send go get this blood clot man. They pay the in drive come down so we can arrange things how we are going to deal with things. You understand me? Plus if you fix back my car. When me take a stack and send the blood clot money go get the man send one voice note come give me the last voice note me ever hear in a history. And the last voice note me ever hear in a history. The man lie. Me take it go send him auntie, me go take it go send him mother. Yeah, when them listen to the voice note, they could have said him tell, be a lie. Be a lie, the man a tell. The man take me money and name it. Maybe him and him man a Kingston or in girl a Kingston. He take me money and name it. And next thing call and I tell me about blood clot in drive this and he can't get no in drive. 6 o'clock at evening. 6 o'clock at evening I say you want me you for talk and you tell your mother say you want me you for talk and reason about things how we are going to deal with situation. And you go tell me say 6 o'clock at evening you can't get one in drive. You understand what me I say? If you do what you have to do, you go talk about no in drive now run and the man with the same now come so far when since. Talk it truth now, when since. So me come me take up back the phone. Me say who you get at the story there? Me say who you get at the story? Remember say them beg me for unblock here, you know, bro. You understand what me I say? And if you know say you have nothing good for say to me, right? Why you come and tell me lie? Right? You know one time I call the man, here with the man say on him phone. I take one juice. Yes, so when I call the man, miss, you know that me a cuss off that old man, yeah? Me a cuss off that old man, yeah, you know.
Alright, my people, I'm kind of busy so I can't get to talk much. So let me know what you think in the comments, make me watch some more.
I'm not cuss all people, you know, but the lady just annoying for true, you know. Lady, stop bother me, you I turn off this. It's alright, because I don't want to cuss you. I don't want to do that because that's not right. But yeah, I get on top of my nerves today. Yes, so when I call the man, the man say, hello? Hello? So me I say, yeah, what go on now? So you know, sir. You know, so I book a in drive, but right. So me I wonder who the man you talk to? Cause you know like you talk to the mechanic or you talk to one man out the road this so. You understand me? Hello? Yeah man. You know say I book the in drive but them say it now work out till the morning. You get what me I say? So after me hear him say that now, that alone you pick up every fucking thing in your head right there so. I laugh and I say to him mother, I say, oh, tell your son don't play with me, please me, I beg you. Me not depend that time in there. You understand? I say tell your son don't play with me. I'm send the voice note to him auntie. Your auntie could have talked straight out. So you know say I lie the money I tell you. He said, girl, me all about girl power. And I style the money I style you. You understand what me I say, Annie? Annie me not like that. And that him auntie look at me and tell me straight up. And this no look good, Annie. I style the man keep on a play just because even auntie I say with everything where you hold on pan. I really saw the man I come deal with your girl. You see me? Right? I know me now decided say you know what? Me not play this anymore. Me done. You understand what me I say? Right? Me no want to deal with this. Your mother say if you talk, you understand what me I say for work out certain things because of the baby. You understand me? But yet still me no see it can work out in a no way. Me can't see it can work out in a no way, no how. You get me? So nasty. Come like so, oh, me tell you man, I beg you no leave me alone on this topic here. Yeah, me tell you. Please me, I beg you. Please me, I beg you. Sub my chat. Jagger come send give her tap the screen. Man, them sub the chat for me. Thank you, baby. Enough of them have nothing good for say. I mean, even look on them comment because I don't care. You see me? Make them come sub the chat. I block that girl here. I catch you first. Nice. Come on to my fucking comment section. Don't give a fuck. No want no Batman for my baby father. Thank you, baby. I don't want no blood clot swim around for my baby father. Oh, I saw no one man come out here and smile up in our face. And man, hey, you see, no man wicked, if no man wicked and terrible, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. No for no wicked and terrible because some of the time I'm gonna eat the woman, you know, because you feel for one talk the truth. You don't think it hard to talk the truth, you know? Honestly, you know? Because me look for Annie and me say Annie on social media, me see how Annie and how then deal with Annie. Me look for Annie and me see how then deal with Annie on social media. Oh God, me see Annie a batter, back and forward. Everybody try to use a blood clot woman. Bomba clot! Me buy one blood clot Hardy then use me. Me buy a Hardy. Eh? Me first Hardy me get fuck. Me buy one piece of bomba ras clot also over so. Me get fuck. Eh? Me dead one batty boy a papi me get fuck. Now me got dead one batty man. What the fuck? So everyone me get fuck. Me don't just love me man. Love me. Me choose myself now. Me dey by myself. Fuck that. You see me? Me a hold it for so fucking long. You know if you hold in so many bomba clot things. Eh? You know me the woman come in my comment section and a bash me and a diss me. And I talk about all this man I do good for me. Eh? You know much woman come up in my bomba clot box and disrespect me. Eh? And the man sit down and watch you man them a diss me. All the man sit down and watch you man them a diss me, a diss me, a diss me. And the man just have a smug smile. This smug motherfucking smile on his face. And know exactly why my bomba clot do. Eh? So don't really want me to live my life like no joke. Brother, me I beg you to love me, you know. Love me, you know. That me I tell you, you know. I beg you, in Jesus blood clot name, you know. Love me. I done so what me have to say already. Me is not the first person we talk about the video. Me am no idiot and no pussy can wrap me up in a courthouse. Because me is not the first person we see the blood clot video. I am not the first person who see this blood clot video. You hear me I tell you? And it's a man who ain't there with for 2 years come send the blood clot video come give me. So why can play with me? Why you come there with a woman who is straight and play the woman? Me can't sue in blood clot too. You're not easy. I sue for suing at this blood clot. We roll down blood clot court step. Oh, but man can't sue. You say, well, I don't feel like you don't walk on step and blood clot me. Man, fuck you and go from your so. If you know you dig shit up, you can't come over your suffer. You no fuck you no blood clot with me, you know. Let me tell you, hold me, hold it, you know, bro. Fuck. People bomba clot face like me no deserve a break a blood clot all. All of them hate me like a dose of bomba ras clot poison. When me there with the man to blood clot, everybody start pre me when me there with the blood clot man. You see me? Right? Then go like a man is a savior. Like Yankee I'm a savior. Yankee come save Annie. Yankee are the Prince Charming. By the way, bitch, me did think say you are Prince Charming for true. Like, you did almost make me didn't want to believe in motherfucking fairy tale. Like no joke. You see me? I don't give a fuck, bitch. I don't give a fuck. You see me? You didn't make me almost believe in a fucking fairy tale. Cause when me see man come out and start deal with me. You understand what me I say and take up for me and cuss off any blood clot body for me. But think the man fucking real, bro. Me didn't think the man real. Me didn't think a genuine thing the man depend. What the fuck you not talk about? So after the man don't gas me up and style blood clot me. You are gonna tell me now me if sit down with Batman, eh? Me if sit down with Babyfada. Oh, are you Babyfada, your blood clot? I'm a Babyfada, Babyfada was true, me make sure you go about in business. But Babyfada, move that the blood clot brand, because your Babyfada then he ain't tan with you. He ain't tan with
Some people, we are going to move on to the next, you know, because the Lion Man are up to the TJ from Wagwan and Popcorn. Me don't want to visit Popcorn ex Kyla. You see me, I say she talk about the situation also. So make we watch some more. Make we move over. We are go over to the Lion Man and TJ.
Everything. You see, so for real. You see me, I say TJ, and there is a video out there where I think Annie send me the video because I didn't believe Annie when she came on the live saying that he has a man. You must say serious something. Serious something, TJ, man. So why not the video? So in the video, I don't know if you would like me to send it to you. No, I don't think so. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Well, most people usually wanted to see it, TJ. I'm gonna say. You might eat out any back door in the video? No, him not eat out any black door in the video there. But him a back in fist and call out a man name. Jeez. And then him push his finger in a black door. In a video and send it you a man. What? So I was earning that man give him 2 bills every month, 150 every month, whenever he needs it. So that man see him with Annie and he knows what that man is about. So the RJ now, RJ reach out to Annie, send Annie the video. RJ look like him. So wait, hold on, you go too fast. Alright. Him have a video with RJ, or RJ send it to Annie? No. Yankee have a video. Him a black him fist and I call out RJ name. And then in the video, him push his finger in a black door. Jesus Christ. So somebody reached out to Annie and said, Annie, I got a video. He looked like the person that was sending him the money. Oh, them said Annie, I don't know who released the video, but Annie sent it to me and I played and I watched the video on the live because I didn't know it was true or false. So you will see everything in the video? No, not everything. I allow Shay to watch the full video. And Shay said she see when he put his finger in the black door. Yeah, in the black door with ease. No effort. So this seems like this been going on for months. And Annie said he was in a desperate situation. That's why he did that. But he's lying about that too. Because his finger went in without any apology. With any grease, without any grease. But why Annie would have put a video like that? Why should oh God, man. Huh? So what him so ask the question, man, let it out. So him not straight? He's definitely not straight, TJ. So Annie never know all of this? I think Annie knew, but she was trying to save the relationship. But Yankees tried to draw away. Him cry? Who cry? Who them say cry, Jayden? Yankee cried on the live. But he didn't cry when he was putting the thing in his black door. He was very happy. Oh God, I shouldn't send out a video like, oh, mash up the man. Oh God, man. So I don't know, on the sure what man name I talk to you in that video? Which woman named RJ, TJ? RJ? I mean, it could be Rochelle Jackson. We don't know. Rochelle Jackson. Jackson is a last name. RJ sound like is a name where you would have sip on the street. Like your street name. Tell me no. Yes, oh God, but
they shouldn't. Oh God, man. And they say my ball. Man, make the man commit, you know.
Why would you commit and I never miss and if I go do it? And teacher, him did a blame me. Blame who? You? Yeah, him did a blame. It looked like he put off TJ because it dog did a say. Yeah, it dog did a say. And he lie and he not have and he not breed is Mika belly.
Which? Feel Mika? Mika.
Yes, my Mika TJ.
So Mika pregnant right now, sir? Me play Mika other day. She never look pregnant.
TJ, did Mika stand up for you?
Well, no.
Mika is pregnant.
Few.
Not even she don't know who.
Jayden, start there something there. Start there sitting there.
But if you read TJ, she don't know who.
Oh God, this is what I thought Annie the other day and she thinks that this one and this and I said, Annie, you have set a pattern and you have kids, female kids that they're going to follow your pattern. You see it?
I understand TJ, I understand.
Oh, allegedly, so I'm not sure something then. I'm not sure. They say I'm not sure something.
No, about Mika allegedly. It's Mika thing allegedly, but the Yankee thing is very sure.
So you see the man, remember see people look alike, you see the man face and everything?
Everything. No, not me, no Shay. Shay's everything.
So Shay says she's a Yankee, as in Yankee, like the Yankee?
Yes, you want me to call Shay?
She beside him?
Me no my bed now.
Me see it, TJ. Yes, we see it.
TJ, I'm up on the road.
Me now watch that. What you say?
I'm on the road, but me have time.
Me now watch that.
TJ, I'll send you the video.
No, Jayden, no, thank God my phone then.
I can't watch it on that one now.
No, this is the one not work.
Anyways, TJ, I go see it.
Alright, my people, I watch some more of this and then we're gonna go over Coco.
I want story, you go see it on something. You go see it.
Me not watch that.
Me sell mountain it.
What do you mean by sell mountain?
Him give me 3 bills and me give it. Him a go make more.
Oh God, man, bro, I shouldn't do that, dog. I shouldn't make the man video come out like that.
Him should have got this Annie.
Oh, say my Annie fall out.
Yes, that's why me not this shit.
So it's a situation where him and Annie fall out and then Annie is fighting by sending out the video.
Yeah.
Oh God. What are my boyfriend and girlfriend?
I guess there was another man out.
That's what me said the man mounted. I'm not going to watch that. I don't want to see that. That I use long time. Can't get them. I need to charge it. Well, I'm saying I can't charge a phone. When posting in story say, Yankee, if you know, say, America no come like Jamaica when you come on to certain things. I better, you see, I'm gonna tell you why I beat it black bad. You see if him say so, him could have get to it, him could have get to it. Him could have just tell people them say, yo guys, this is me and me a Yankee and I them something I will do. But you see, because him come in a Jamaica space as a straight person, he might get beat in the feet, bro. He might get beat in the feet. I'm funny story and see if he post some suicide. I bet anyone need come out and say, yo guys.
Gentlemen, boys and girls.
Shimada, what did you?
Why? I knew what I was going to
see me tell you now, I better if the dog they come and just talk it straight. Cause I see people accept people they on the next side and nobody have a problem with them. So if you need come and say, yo, here what, you know me they on the next side or me they on borderline like the man with the selling they on borderline, I guess they would have just they would not love him.
Yo, me I beg the parents them have them young boy. Got them outside and inside and
Anyway, once he come like, I don't know if people then convince him making come back or what, but you come back now. You know me I say, you're hiding back down this and whatever of you, right? Anyway, you say you want to deal with something, right? You say you want to surprise me, but you never have as much money. For my page now, my job, I think it was $200. I never reached $200 good, right? I'm give him the $200 and him call him mad and him mother send him some money. He said make up the money, put everything together to start out the plans for the night. You understand? So bro, me not go there stand like you say I did not give anybody no money. Me not go do that big man. You understand me? I say buy me that chain here, right? See that chain here, he buy me that chain here, he buy me that big teddy bear set here, and he buy the ring and he pay for dinner. You understand me? I say that is what happened that night.
From then life is so desperate sometime. So I feel like I need to try to feel the emptiness, feel the emptiness that the fact say she and her children they may not have that perfect relationship, and probably some of her family member them. Because I remember like the first time I knew about Annie was when she came out and thought that one of her family member them they do something to her. I think it was like a SE situation and stuff like that. So I think she's trying to actually find love in that way. I could be wrong, and it's not my business to comment on people's situation, but I mean, you know, cause I used to do that too. I don't know at all. I don't think she's a bad person. I hope she really find the love that she wants. Everybody deserve love. You know, everybody deserve love. She say her kids them not like her and them something there, and now this come happiness. This is oh Lord. But you know, guys, you know between me and Uno, you know how me stay now when they come and talk about deal, man. You know me stay. My other boy if you tell me straight up what you like and what you don't like, and tell me straight up. You know me feel about deal, man. You know that for a fact, right? You know me feel about man, I don't know. Worse when you not go raw. You know me feel about that. You know so me not like that something there. I always a burn out deal, man. Me ever burn out deal, man. Uno always hear me a burn out deal, man. Me no play the deal something there. Me prefer boy if you tell me straight up, say, babes, me like man too, and me decide if me want talk to him. Me no want no boy hide and take man behind my back. You have to tell me if you like man too, so me can decide if me want date you or if me don't want date you, because then you see the thing about don't know man is that them can literally get disease and people don't understand how serious it is. Me have a lot of gay friends, and majority of my gay friends them tell me say a lot of them other friends probably have HIV, and it's not nothing where them hide, it's something where a lot of them basically know in the community. So when they go talk to a rainbow person, I mean I look down upon nobody no, but I'm just saying it's just the reality in the gay community, right? HIV is a real thing. You are a straight man, or you're pretending to be a straight man, and you're talking to a gay person, and you are doing it unprotected with a girlfriend a yard, and then you are there with one man. You are going to carry disease, go get a girl. On top of that, anything we have to do with backdoor means bacteria. So when them go do it with the man and come into you, them are going to get infection. So me not play them download joke there. Me not play about that. Me not play about that at all. Me not play about that. And to be honest, a lot of people always want to say, man, we do it in your back door is always deal. But that is not even true. You know, that is not even true. And I don't judge a guy that do it, that wants to do it in my, but a man where I don't do things with other man, definitely. But no, me not care nobody wants to say. Me no know, me look on things differently still. I look on things differently. Me look on things differently. Yeah. So the rain come down. Yeah, and them love blame woman for the reason why they are deal. Because why are you doing that? And then your excuse is that you were desperate. You were desperate and you didn't want and she a young little baby, she a go through bad things. I feel kind of bad for her for true. This not look good if it look one type of way. The lady just a look for somebody for just have a relationship with and just find little love and peace and joy, and the lady can't find it at all. It just look one way for true. It look bad. It look very bad for true. All that we want love, no matter what. No matter what, all that we want love. Everyone that we want love and want peace. All that we want love and peace. Yeah. Nobody don't want nobody to embarrass them or road and style them. And the worstest thing when boy picnic style you. The worstest thing. Especially when you go through something hard in your life and something rough. And the worstest thing for your man style you. Me I tell you.
Alright, my people. So, you see, me I tell you something. You see, enough of them man out here with on body man. Enough of the time them and the woman them turn them out. You hear me tell you no? The woman them. You see me, first of all, most of them girl here love for man deal with them in a them back door. You see me I say? Yeah, try this, Ray. You go try it. You know what I mean? Alright, Ray. Enough of them woman here also, them near man body too. You see me? So, what that I go do? That I go give the man feeling for other man. Not really other man, them I go have that feeling there for like, okay, alright, them open up our next door, a pleasure for them. So, them maybe go try a next man. So enough of them start off, a woman start them off. So that's why I tell the man them say, you know what I mean? First of all, if I there with a woman in our back door, I see a back door a man have. You see me I say? So you'd have gone already. And then don't make no woman trouble your back door neither. Because right this I open them up you to that the lifestyle there. You see it? So, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. Because some woman say, a man go there with the next man. And this and that can get. What about the woman them where one man for deal with them in them back door? And I see them Ray. So, don't make me know what you think, my people. You know what I mean? Yankee, boy. Me G, yeah, batty man. Lord the woman them.
The rough for true. You send me something? Okay, mama. Okay. So she said him all her and do it. Why people don't bash her? She's the victim here. Why people always blame woman? She's the victim. This lady could have literally catch disease. You don't believe me? Say a whole heap of woman catch HIV from them don't know boyfriend and them don't know baby father and them don't know husband. Girl, as soon as me have any idea, say the man me I talk to don't know me, girl, me never make you know, so me know. I saw me stay when me find out say boy deal. And sometimes they never have to tell me I have to catch up with a man. Sometimes I just can't just find out because there are ways that you find out say man deal. You understand me I say? Me not run them joke there. Me not run them joke there at all. My vajayjay have to stay clean. Have to stay clean. Me like when time I go out, I can open up my foot and breathe. No bacteria not in me. Me not run them joke there. Me not run them joke there at all. So me never understand how people go bash Annie. Annie is the victim in this situation. Annie is not the culprit. Annie is the victim. This man could have. We don't know if him get something and she don't want to come talk. We don't know if him get bacteria and she don't want to. Because chlamydia is also another thing too where you can catch in your vajayjay. I'm telling you that. Right? Whenever the guys them cross over to man and them a sleep with man and sleep with you, chlamydia is one of the firstest things for you catch our gonorrhea. May I tell you? Yes. So it probably should never tell you the full 100 hour really. She probably can catch something. We don't know. So nobody should have cost her people for her send her a gift and go watch her video and make she can get a fat check for her YouTube. Because the man wrong her. He should have tell her straight up say look here. Me go the both ways. And look here. This is what me do. Me like when boy tell me say look here. Me like man too. Me like that. Me no burn out no by man. Me no care. Me no care when no girl wants to. Me rather boy to tell me saying like man too before not tell me. You better ever tell me. Let me decide if me want to talk to you. Don't hide it from me. Tell me. Tell me what you like. Tell Tell me what you like. If it's that you want to do it with me, if it's that you want to do it in my back, I don't even have a problem with that either. Probably, even though it's not something I do so often, I don't know. I may not. You understand me? I say? But I'm just saying though, like, nobody no fear blame Annie, and I bring down Annie and I ridicule Annie because she's the victim in this situation, and it looks so embarrassing. But the society that we live in is so misogynistic to the point where a man literally go out there and sleep with the next man, and then not blame the woman, and then no one to say also not like woman in this society. Look upon the situation. What no weird. No sir. Someone very weird. On top of that, she has said him grape her in her back door. So what the hell? Me.
You understand me? The night me and him talk about the whole thing. You understand me? It was a big conversation. Next man just locked down like I have nothing to say. You understand what I say? You know what really offend me? Is when me and the man dey in the room and what the man do to me. You understand what I say? It's like you're sick because we talk about this, my lie down on the bed, right? And when this fucking man do, you understand me? It drop me go way back when we did young.
She pregnant for you?
The man fucking lunch me.
If me pregnant for someone and find out to them them deal, I would dash it away. But that's slice of bread. That dash away.
Put a lunch me down back way on the bed and ease me down so. And carry it on back way so. And the man dey on top of my back. You see me? And the man do what the man wanna force, what the man force. You understand what I say? And the only thing the man dey in my ears was the man take it.
Take it. No lube, no little lube. Rotted. What a wicked man. Never look over Vaseline. Me rot. Huh? And it big? It never little? And no look Vaseline? To shine it up so you can slip in easily? No sir. Hello. It pierced too? You have piercing pan there? You have piercing? He has a piercing on his thing? What? I don't know, I'm gonna go up a mountain, you know, I hear a mountain, but bro, I'm gonna have to make